So I'm actually really close now to collecting my BMW M5 from F.C.C Rochford. Yeah, it's been about 10 days, 12 days since I parted with it, but I'm quite excited to see it now. And yeah, so let's go see what it looks like. Right, so I've come to underground car park to see what the car looks like under the lights, and then boy, F.C.C Rochford Bodyshop, they've done a fantastic job, man. They've just absolutely killed it. Like what I've done now, basically the car's a bit of a transformation. So like we've done new CSL replica wheels, we've got new wings, new bonnet, it's got new front bumpers and rear bumpers, and also we've dropped the front down 10mm. We've got new red rear lights and carbon look spoiler. We've got a colour coded OEM diffuser. The boys pulled out the stops, man. I think they've done really well. So that's F.C.C Bodyshop Romford. They've done a fantastic job in it, man. You'll see the pictures. Here comes the montage.
Let's get started.